Okay, so now we're into a bit of variable acceleration, so for which we can use differentiation to move from velocity to acceleration, and to go to displacement you would integrate from velocity. So the first thing we need to do is rewrite our velocity so that it's a power of t rather than the square root. So that'll be minus 7 to the t to the power half plus 6. Then we need to differentiate that to find a. So acceleration is dv by dt, which is going to be 2. And then if we multiply by half, we've got minus 7 over 2 t to the power negative a half. And then all we need to do is say when t equals 4, a is going to be 2 minus 7 over 2, 4 to the minus a half. And I always write it out like that and then put that exactly as seen in the calculator, which gives me 0.25. And remembering our units of meters per second squared. Okay, on to part B, showing that the distance in the time interval of 1 to 2 is that, means we're going to need to show that we can, as I said before, we can find displacement when we integrate between the values of 2 and 1 for 2t minus 7t to the half plus 6 dt. Then we need to do that, go ahead and integrate. So if we so that's going to be t squared, up it to 3 over 2, divide by 3 over 2. So you've got, what is it? You've got negative 7 divided by 3 over 2. So whack that into your calculator to help you out, or turn it over, gives you negative 14 over 3, t to the power up to 3 over 2. The 6 goes up to 6t. Now you would need a plus c, but you don't, because it's definite integration and we're doing it between the values of 2 and 1. So having done that, we then need to put in those values of 2 and 1, don't we? So that'll be 2 squared minus 14 over 3, 2 to the power 3 over 2, plus 6 times 2. Take away 1 squared, which is just 1, minus 14 over 3 times 1 is going to whatever the power, it's going to be minus 14 over 3, and then plus 6 times 1 is just going to be that. So if I work those out carefully on my calculator, I get 16, take 28 thirds of root 2 to the, in fact, if I just put it all in one go, what does that get me? So I put that all in exactly as I wrote it down there, press equals, and it does indeed, it gives me 41 minus 28 all over 3 root 2, which is actually the same, just another way of saying that you've got 41 thirds minus 28 thirds of root 2, and then you can take a factor of a third out of it, and we have got xy equaling, what is it, 1/3, so 41, take 28 root 2, and we're all done.